Annual HVAC maintenance is an investment in your heating and cooling system. It's important to work with an HVAC company that provides the most benefit to you as a homeowner. Annual furnace and AC maintenance performed by a trained technician should include full cleaning of the furnace or AC, inspection of safety switches and devices, checking for cracks or damage to the heat exchanger, filter replacement, calibration of temperature and airflow controls, washing the outdoor condenser coil, adjustment of fans and belts, inspection of drains and traps, inspections of all electrical components. When a Bell Brothers technician comes to your home to perform annual maintenance, you can guarantee that services you receive meet stringent Energy Star or ACA quality maintenance standards. Bell Brothers wants to help keep your HVAC system running efficiently and reliably all year long. The Comfort Club offers 3 levels of annual maintenance service to fit your needs and budget. You can explore the advantages of being a member of the Comfort Club at bellbrothers.com/Comfort Club.